How to install a BIOS speaker on a motherboard. This is a BIOS speaker. It can tell you when there's something wrong with your motherboard or just your computer in general. See how it says speaker there? It has it can plug in with a 4-pin prong. What you do is you read down here where these pins are at the bottom of the motherboard. Look for the one that says speaker. I don't know if you can read that or not, but down here it says speaker, and speaker would be up here. You just plug it in like so, and there it is. BIOS speaker is plugged in. Thanks for watching.